Why do rich families send their children to £30,000 schools while paying the taxman almost nothing? Tom wanted his granddaughter in the best boarding school in the county. £30,000 a year. Most people solve this the obvious way. They earn the money and they pay the fees. So Tom looked at that path. His son earns well. But to hand him £30,000 to pay the school, the money first passes the taxman. And the taxman takes nearly half. 45% gone. To put £30,000 in front of the headmaster, his son would have to earn almost £55,000. That is the trap. Pay school fees from a working parent's pocket and you feed the taxman before you ever feed the school. The harder you earn, the more he takes. But Tom saw the rule underneath. The taxman doesn't tax the money. He taxes the person it belongs to. So Tom changed the person. He built a trust. A quiet legal structure that holds money and earns income. Then he named the owner of that income. His granddaughter. 7 years old. No job. No bills. No idea what a taxman even is. But on paper she is now an investor. And here is the part nobody ever explains. Under the rules, every single child gets the same tax-free allowance as an adult. £12,500 a year completely untouched. Anything above that sits in the lowest possible band because a child has no other income to stack on top. So the income runs through her, not through his son. The 45% rate never applies. The fees are paid before the taxman ever sees a working wage. Same school. Same £30,000. Around £15,000 saved every single year. The system didn't lose. It was never broken. Tom just read the rule that says who pays and quietly stopped being that person. Follow for more.